In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Tallyform Insights and download your submission data. Start by opening your browser and heading to tally.so. Sign into your account so you can access your forms and responses. If you manage multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before moving on, so the data you see matches the project you're working on. Once you're in, look for My Workspace. This is the hub where all your forms are organized. Click My Workspace to open it. Inside, you'll see a list of the forms you've created or have access to. Find the form you want to check and click it. This opens the Forms dashboard, where you'll be able to review results and dig into the data. From here, click Summary and Insights. This is where Tally compiles your responses into clear visuals, giving you charts and graphs for each question. It's a quick way to understand what your audience is saying without manually sifting through individual submissions. For questions like multiple choice and dropdowns, you'll see bar charts that make it easy to compare how often each option was selected. You'll also see percentage breakdowns that show the share of responses for each choice. These visuals help you spot trends immediately, identify popular selections, and quickly confirm whether your form is producing the results you expect. If your form includes a mix of question types, the Summary and Insights view adapts to each one so you can get a consistent, at-a-glance understanding of your responses. This is especially helpful when you're reviewing results with a team or preparing to share highlights with stakeholders. When you're ready to work with the raw data, go to Submissions. This is the complete list of individual responses. To download the data, click Download, then choose CSVs. A CSV or comma-separated values file is a universal format you can open in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or most data analysis apps. It's ideal for sorting, filtering, creating pivot tables, or merging results with other data sets. If your spreadsheet prompts you about separators or encoding, keep the default settings unless your organization requires something specific. A quick recap before we wrap up. Open tally.so and log in, click My Workspace, select the form you want to check, review your charts and graphs in Summary and Insights, and when you need the full dataset, head to Submissions and choose Download, CSV. Keep your exported files organized and secure, especially if they contain personal or sensitive responses, and you'll have a smooth workflow from insights to analysis.